University Technology Mara UiTM Jengke Pahang is one of the primary campus under the intensive UiTM system, which is Malaysia's largest institutions of higher learning in terms of size and student enrollment. Located in the Bandar Tun Abdul Razak Jengke in the state of Pahang, this campus has become of educational excellence and innovation in Malaysia since its inception. The campus provides a wide array of programs ranging from diploma to degree levels, catering to diverse fields such as business, engineering, information technology, science and the arts. Since COVID-19, the UiTM system has experienced considerable changes, including a move from in-person to online training. UiTM has adopted online distance learning as its standard. Students at UiTM have access to a wide range of services, including the academic registration process. This procedure requires students to register for classes before the start of each semester. Courses are offered to students based on registered faculty and program codes. Every UiTM branch has the Academic Affairs Divisions, or known as BHEA. It was established on 21st August 1969 when Technology Mara University was first recognized. It is one of the most important part in the organizational structure of University Technology Mara UiTM Cawangan Pahang. This section consists of Student Administration and Records Unit, the Examinations Unit, and the Laboratory Unit. The Academic Affairs Division is responsible for managing matters related to the teaching and learning of academic programs at UiTM, such as manage or provide teaching and learning facilities, manage the student registration and record system, manage all related student study information, and academic staff affairs. The visions of UiTM is make UiTM a great institution based on scholarship and academic excellence to lead the dynamism of Bumiputra in all world-class professional domains so that competitive, global and ethical graduates are born. Meanwhile, the missions of the UiTM is enhancing the knowledge and expertise of Bumiputra in all fields through the delivery of professional programs, research and community service involvement based on the pure values and professional ethics.
The existing of e-course registration system at UiTM presents notable challenge for students. Firstly, students must adhere to specific registration timelines, limiting their ability to enroll in courses once the deadline has passed, which may cause delays in their academic progression. Additionally, the system lacks seamless integration, requiring students to log in multiple times to complete the registration process, leading to inconvenience and inefficiency. The disjointness also necessitates students to repeat steps across both the UiTM student portal and e-academic system, further complicating the registration procedure. Moreover, the restricted availability of classes and the time-consuming nature of opening new class sessions may result in students experiencing delays in registering for their preferred courses. Furthermore, the system vulnerability to crashes, particularly during peak usage periods when numerous students are accessing simultaneously combined with slow internet connections, can impede students from completing course enrollment before the registration deadline. To sum up, the current e-course registration system at UiTM presents significant hurdles for students, encompassing stringent registration deadlines, the necessity for repeated logins, integration challenge, delays in class availability, and the potential for system crashes. These issues collectively contribute to inefficiencies and complexities in the registration process, potentially impacting students' academic advancement and course selection.
Process of data in the current system. The first step is student needs log in and register course via student portal. Then, if unsuccessful, they will display alert and process about. Then, student need to redo again with same step. If success, will display the course and group successfully registered. Next, student validate the final registration process. Lastly, student can print the slip or download it.
Now, let's move on problem statement of academic registration system for students. Problem 1. System failure. System used for academic registration such as student portal may encounter technical glitches such as slow loading times, crashes or errors during the registration process. This issue can disrupt the registration process and cause frustration among students. Problem number 2 is crashes in between courses. Students may have difficulty selecting classes that meet their schedule. This can be particularly difficult if certain mandatory courses are only given at specific time. Therefore, students must register for the ones that are still open. Problem number 3 is inadequate classroom and courts. Students may have difficulty selecting classes because there are not enough classroom for optional courses or third language. Therefore, students must contact with staff re-register and it will take time to students re-register the classes.
Academic registration process at University Technology Mara has been causing several issues for both students and staff. To begin with, the primary problem includes system overcrowding, system downtime, and insufficient class quotas, which hinder the smooth registration of courses. During the registration period, a large number of students attempt to access the system, leading to system overcrowding. Consequently, this influx of users caused the system to become overwhelmed, resulting in slow response time and in some cases, complete system crash. Due to the system's inability to handle the high volume of concurrent users, it often experiences technical failures and downtime. As a result, system downtime prevents students from completing their course registration within the allocated time frame, causing delays and frustration. Furthermore, many students face the issue of not being able to enroll in their desired courses because the available class fill up quickly, leading to insufficient class quota. This situation creates a competitive and stressful environment where not all students have an equal opportunity to register for the course they need. The objective of the new academic registration process are to develop a new academic registration method that can effectively replace the previous system. The new system will feature an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easier for students to navigate and complete their registration. Furthermore, the registration process will be streamlined by combining multiple steps into a single workflow, thereby reducing the number of actions required to complete registration. Additionally, built on the robust and scalable infrastructure, the new system will handle high volume of concurrent users without performance degradation or downtime, thus improving performance and scalability. Moreover, the system will include features for dynamic quota management, ensuring efficient and fair allocation of classes among students. In addition to this, certain tasks that previously required manual input will be automated, speeding up the registration process and reducing the likelihood of errors. Finally, the improved system will promote fairer access to courses, ensuring that more students can enroll in their desired classes. The new academic registration system at UiTM will transition from conventional method to a digital platform accessible to all students. Managed by instructor, it will cover the entire UiTM network. The system will include components such as student information, full name, metric number, group, faculty, and registered courses. Students must log in to verify their identity and ensure their course registration align with their assigned classes. If verification fails, registration cannot proceed. Next, the system will handle user management, including creating and maintaining student profiles, personal details, academic history, and course preference. The faculty account for managing courses and assisting with academic advising. Administrative account will oversee the entire registration process, including access control and user management. Furthermore, course management will feature a centralized repository of courses, including description, prerequisite credit, and schedule, with tools for faculty and administrators to modify course detail. Real-time course availability will display current enrollment number and available slot. The registration process will be automated, offering a step-by-step process for course selection, prerequisite checking, conflict resolution, and waitlist management with notification. Students can modify their course selection within specified period using an add-drop functionality. Last but not least, support and training will include comprehensive material and season for students, faculty and administrators with a dedicated support team for technical issue and questions.
These are the new benefits of the new system. Benefit 1. Enhanced user experience. The new system user-friendly interface will make it easier for students to navigate and complete their registration, reducing confusion and frustration. By streamlining the registration process into a simplified workflow, the system minimizes the number of actions required for registration, making it faster and more efficient. Benefit 2. Streamlined registration process. Combining multiple steps into a single workflow will reduce the number of actions required for registration, making the process faster and more efficient for students, allowing them to make informed decisions during the registration process and reducing uncertainty. Benefit 3. Automated process. Automation of tasks that previously required manual input will speed up the registration process and reduce the likelihood of errors, leading to a smoother and more reliable system. Consequently, the system promotes fairer access to courses, ensuring more students can enroll in their desired classes and alleviating competition and stress.